what's up? Welcome out with your girl. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Continue to push the vibe. Okay. Let's get your energy. We have justice. Okay, so we have justice for your energy right now. Okay, and whatever it is you're thinking about, it's a maybe. So maybe you have to release a certain person and see clearly before spirit gives you a yes. Okay, this is the justice card. So you're getting justice. You're getting shown some things. It's making you very sad. It's making you cry. It's making you hurt. Okay. Let's pay close attention to this background. It's like you know something is sneaky going on with these two, and you know you want to say something. You want to expose. You want to open up, and you want to like put. What can I say? You already have your glasses on. Okay, but I feel like you don't want to bring it to the forefront right now. You're trying to hold back on exposing because you want some type of clarity, and it's a maybe. Okay, you feel like maybe this could be going on. So pay close attention, okay? It says, Spirit is wanting you to know that the need for a fair resolution. Set your emotions aside and just look at the facts. Look at the facts. The facts are in your face. It's clear as day. Okay, so whatever this person is to you, this friend, okay, or whoever this is to you around your person, they're sneaking, or this could be a third party situation that you feel your person is still dealing with, but they're telling you that they could tie to this person, knowing damn well they didn't. Wow. Okay. So we're gonna get the reaction you're gonna have whenever. So what's the reaction that collective will have once this is shown? Once everything comes out, what is it? The sun. The sun card. So you're gonna have a lot of joy and happiness and peace after this comes out. Because you're gonna be set free from this narcissist bullshit. You know, being stuck with this person who really isn't for you. Rejoice in the hope of a new day. Nothing can stop you now. Success is in your future. So once you get released from this person, once you release this person, once everything comes to the forefront, you're going to find out this person is no good for you. This friend is no good. And you're going to release them and you're going to have success and victory in this shit, okay? And for the overall, so what is it that the collective is going to be, you know, rejoicing, okay? I know that the person is going to be exposed, okay? So collective is going to be rejoicing and happy about this. And, okay, so what's the outcome of collective? You know, what to look forward to? What to look forward for? Emperor. Oh, my God. Collective, I said what to look forward to, what to look forward for. Emperor is coming. So you need to release this person so you can get your emperor. And it says, Emperor, trust your experiences. You can learn much from observing the consequences of your actions. So I feel like you're going to be able to tell that your emperor is coming in strong and for you, and any type of bullshit. The Lover's at the bottom of the deck. Any type of, it's a yes. This person is a yes. This person is a yes. And anybody that comes towards you guys with bullshit, Emperor's not playing. And it says soulmate and karmic connection, okay? Examine whether you are bringing your whole self to the table. So make sure when this person comes, you're bringing your whole self and you're not scared because of past bullshit, past trauma, past situations, okay? Or the past, like going through this and then coming here and still bringing this here, okay? You can't do that. Okay. Clarify justice. Clarify the justice card. Clarify the justice. The temperance. I feel like you're taking time. You're healing yourself. Okay, you really love this person. You thought this was your family. You thought that everything was here with this person. Okay, but you see this person for what it is now. Yeah, you could have had happy times with this person, but they tried to play you. Okay. So Holy Spirit, clarify the sun card. Pentacles. And then this is when I said what you're going to get once this is coming to. It said the Sun card, peace, joy, love, happiness, rejoicing, a fresh start, okay? And look, success. It says success in your future. Look, and I said, so clarify the Sun card. Ace of Pentacles. Love, success, happiness, okay? New beginning. Grounded, money, abundance, windfall, luck, love, Emperor. Clarify the Emperor. Clarify the Emperor, what the Emperor will bring to the collective. What does the collective know about the Emperor? Okay. Clarify the Emperor. Clarify the Emperor, the Spirit, Guides, Angels, Ancestors, and the white light. Okay, the Emperor, the star. You gotta lay back, relax, and enjoy this person. Look up at the stars. Wish upon a star. You probably wish for somebody to come in to save you from this bullshit, and that's just what's happening. And Spirit is sending someone in to save you from this bullshit. Your Emperor is coming to heal you. The star card, Emperor card, coming to heal you. Coming to heal you from all of this. If you got kids, they're going to heal your kids too. They're going to take all y'all in. The Emperor don't play. They love family. Okay? Thank you, Holy Spirit, for that ancestor. So, clarify the Temperance. Okay? Healing from heartache. So, you're healing from this heartache, okay? From catching your friend or this person being in a third-party situation. Clarify the Ace of Pentacles. Clarify the Ace of Pentacles. Be your true self. Be who you really, truly are. Flourish. Be successful. Be abundant. Okay? Be victorious. That's what you're supposed to do after a situation like this. Fuck him. Move on. Find your love. Find yourself. And live. Clarify the star card. Holy Spirit. Count your blessings. Oh, exactly. Count your blessings that you found all this shit out. You found the strength to walk away, and now you're going to be abundant by yourself. Get your Emperor and live a happy, happy, happy life. So count your blessings. I know that's right, Spirit. It said count your blessings. Okay, what's the overall message? Holy Spirit, Spirit, Ace of Wands, new beginning, rebirth, do-overs, okay? Fresh start. Yeah, it could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius you're dealing with, that you're releasing. Clarify Ace of Wands. Clarify the Ace High Priestess, you're very intuitive. And this could be BJ, JB, but you're very intuitive. Look. You know you got happiness coming after being betrayed, stabbed in the back, hitting rock bottom. You knew that your world would change. You would get better. Okay, after that tower moment, which is up there, you know. What is this flipped over? Hierophant and the High Priestess and the Empress. Emperor. Yeah, you very intelligent and very intelligent enough to cut somebody off, block anybody who try to cross your path, knowing damn well they're not wanted. Okay, so we get Cancer, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Leo, like I said, Aries, Sagittarius, Libra. Look, then we have Capricorn, Four of Pentacles, and then Eight of Cups. Somebody walking away sad, heartbroken, but somebody trying to still come in, offer you this love. Two of Cups. This your Emperor coming in, offer you this love. Okay? And this Queen of Swords mad because they can't block this from you. They up here being sneaky with your person, but that person you releasing and your Emperor coming in. If you resonated with this video and you know you had some sort of play in here, then it's for you. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Till next time. To chill and catch a vibe with your girl T the Virgo. Peace.